Insanity. Attempting emergency call. Is this 911? Okay, I'm in Benton, Arkansas. I'm at 408 West Sevier, apartment number 1. Yes. 911. Okay, there is a absolutely huge tree that has fell in the back of our parking lot, and I mean our power's out. I don't know. I'm at 408 West Sevier, apartment 1. Yeah, our power's out. I don't know. I mean, I just woke up, and I mean it's a pretty big tree. Not that I know of, but I don't know if it's fire hazard. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye. That was a 911 call in Arkansas, right? We'll get someone there as soon as we can.